Today, our Lagos stands tall as a continental economic powerhouse, Africa's second largest city economy after Cairo. This status is not an accident. It is the product of consistency, a product of productivity, and unyielding Lagos spirit. Our state is maturing, our state is diversifying, and is embracing new frontiers across investment, across tourism, technology, and sustainable innovation. Let us therefore move forward with renewed momentum and a shared purpose. A purpose that is determined to build a Lagos that is stronger, a Lagos that is cleaner, a Lagos that is safer, and a Lagos that is more prosperous. A Lagos that will be more inclusive than ever before. A Lagos that stands as a model for Africa and a global symbol of what visionary governance can achieve. We believe we can achieve this with the House. We believe we can achieve it with your support. We believe that when partnership and leadership work together, the people benefit.
We have all listened with rapt attention to how the wealth of our state will be utilized for our common good in 2026. The responsibility now lies with this honorable House to meticulously perform our constitutional duty. As you all know, our dear state, the center of excellence, has continued to be seen both within and outside Nigeria as the place where good governance is the norm.